everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Cyber Review. Today, we are talking with Sandeep Kumar about his book, Hacking Source Code. He is the founder of HackitTech, a web application pentester and security researcher. He has also trained more than 1,000 students in the field of ethical hacking. Hi, Sandeep. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How did you get into cybersecurity? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Uh, yes, I've been a tech enthusiast from very early age, which has enabled me to learn a lot of skills and technologies and fall in love with that. And it became my passion. Well, I started my journey 4 years ago when I saw a video on YouTube regarding how to hack Android devices using free and detectable applications. And that time I was so curious how to think, how these things are working and how to get into the field of cybersecurity. So I just started learning basics computer and networking, and that was my turning point when I get into the amazing field. Now I started my own company, so student can kickstart their cybersecurity journey and help them to kickstart their journey and crack good global certifications.
Okay, that sounds like a great journey. And what made you write a book like this, Hacking Source Code? Like, where does the inspiration come from?
First of all, I would like to thank to my team, Kraish and Vijenta. While writing this book, I continuously thought about the people who would reading this book and what are the challenges they are facing, how I can make this book more useful for them, and what do they need to know. People are reading this book because they want to be somewhere in their life, and this book is not going to completely make you a professional ethical hacker. Basically, no one can precisely tell you which steps you have to take so that you can become an ethical hacker. So,
Mhm.
make mistakes, learn from them, and maybe you sit at night in front of a black computer screen.
Yeah.
Um, Reading this book instead of guiding how to start your journey. My intention with this book is to learn the basics of ethical hacking and start your journey in the cybersecurity because foundation is so important.
Okay, so on the line, one of the goals of your book is, as you said, kickstart their careers in cybersecurity. So can you share one or two tips for the people that they want to start this career?
Yes, uh, I guess cybersecurity is the growing industry with a huge skill gap. But one thing I just want to add here is clear your foundation and find a mentor who can help you to clear your paths and find the correct path for your field. Because without mentor, it's become difficult to understand the basics and it's difficult to get into the field of cybersecurity because there is lots of subjects in cybersecurity. That's why.
Okay, it sounds good. And some people believe that they have like negative views on pen testing, and they believe that gives it like a false sense of security. What is your thought on that, and how this book can help change the perspective?
Um, Well, pen testing is the field where you can find the bugs in the computer systems and applications. I think pen testing serves a way to examine whether an organization's security policies are generally effectively working. So the aim of the security management is to help make the businesses more successful. So I think pen testing is so important
Okay,
for
that's
the
good.
organizations.
Yes. So, is it fair to describe your book, Hacking Source Code, as a practical guide for ethical hackers?
Um, Yes, we have covered almost everything in the field of cybersecurity to clear the basic course of certified ethical hackers. So we have covered the practical approaches with proper explanation and examples. So I guess it's well described hacking source code.
Okay, sounds great. So, tell us where we can get your book and how the audience can reach out to you.
You can find this book using Amazon. You can find this book using my name, Sandeep Kumar Hacking Source Code. If you write this book name in the Amazon website, you can directly find this book. And if you want to connect with me, you can use my social handle I.m.Sandeep Kumar in LinkedIn, or any other social media by using my phone.
Okay. Okay, sounds great. So thank you so much for your time, Sandeep. Hopefully you get a lot of good feedback for your book, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.